Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Unlock Web. This video will be learn about what is HTML and CSS. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. Each page connects to each other. The last page is connected to the first page. Hypertext Markup Language Hypermedia is audio, video and images. Hypertext is text which contains links to other texts. A markup language is a computer language that uses tags to define elements within a document. It is human-readable, meaning markup files contain standard words, rather than typical programming syntax. What is CSS? There are three types of CSS which are given below. 1 is inline CSS, 2 internal CSS, 3 external CSS. CSS is the language we use to style an HTML document. Cascading style sheets is a style sheet language used for describing the presentation of a document written in a markup language such as HTML. CSS is a cornerstone technology of the World Wide Web, alongside HTML and JavaScript. Reach us at Rai Corporation, your smart content expert. www.raicorporation.com